Exit safe mode in Windows 10 or 11. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to exit safe mode in Windows 10 or 11. So if you are already inside your safe mode, so what you need to do is just open up your task manager from over here by simply coming over to search bar, or you can also press Ctrl Shift and escape combination on your keyboard to redirect to this page, that is your task manager. So once you're inside your taskbar, just come over to this file option at the top left corner and simply click on run new task. So from over here all you have to do is just type in msconfig, just like this, and once you type in, just click on OK, hit the enter button to access this msconfig, which is the system configuration file. Just come over to the boot section and simply, if you have saved, click this save boot. Just come over and uncheck this button and simply hit on apply and hit on OK, and you should restart your computer. So once you restart your computer, you should have successfully exited the safe mode on your Windows 10 or 11. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.